Hey peeps, it's your boy Rory, and today we are in Don't Press the Button. And I'm scared. What's gonna happen? Is that the button? Oh, is that cake? Can we get the cake? Oh, the cake is a lie. Did people eat the cake? I was gonna eat the cake. Oh. Wait, this should be... Oh my god, I didn't know they were coming from there. This is... Oh, I wasn't even showing it. Oh. They just stopped? Oh no, bomb. Push it. Display. Oh, what? I'm not even showing. Oh god. Maybe if I just don't go near it, it won't explode. Well, I didn't die. Anyway, let me get some diamonds. Everyone died except me. Press the button. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I'm not good with parkour on this. I think I'm just gonna go get this coin. Or these coins. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this. I just want this diamond. Because there's no way I'm completing that. I'm not even gonna try because you guys are gonna make fun of me. So basically we're playing Press the Button. We're gonna have some fun. What can you get in the shop? Gravity coil? Oh, it's Robux. Item shop. Speed coil. 200 coins. Exit. Oh, we're fast. We're really fast. Have I been showing over here? That was an accident. If so. The whole area is bigger, but I know from past experiences that the area will get smaller. So, I need to stay. Oh, okay. Well, I was right. But I went too far out. Look at me. Don't move. People who move, I'm not touching the thing. Yeah, we're letting them know. Let's go. Oh, mine. I don't know what gems do. But, sure. I guess I'm just gonna chill over here. I don't know. Look, it gets clean. Clean. Anyway, press the button. I'm scared. Quick, get on. I'm on the button. Oh my god. I literally just made it. Oh, speedy one again. This time I'm gonna keep near here so I don't fall off. Whoa! Also, let me just... item shop. I have 30 ooh, chocolate. Okay, I'm bored. Oh. We're back to I feel like we're slower. Oh, money, money. Is it actual money? Oh, okay. I didn't even take any money. Let's just... Okay. Dude! Dude, we're trying to spam this button here. Bruh. Oh, we can't. 94 times. Amazing score? What? Uh-oh. Oh, golly. Yay. Yay! Okay, what's where's the next one? Okay. Wait. Do you just have to guess? You don't even get a number? Oh wait, maybe it's the color of the houses. So maybe this one's mine. Yep, I win. Bet those people don't know. Maybe they do. Anyway, how many diamonds do I have? Oh, this won't work. Oh wait, never mind, it does. I have 5 diamonds. Oh. Do I have to? This guy has a fire extinguisher. Dude! Oh, okay, we all just died. Oh, my thing is big. I need to focus on where this is. Let me just grab that. That's better. Oh, no. There we go. Oh. What's this? What be this? Oh, okay. We're going down a slide into this guy's mouth. A noob's mouth. Okay, let's go. Oh. Ow. No, I don't want to go. Of course, his mouth goes to nowhere. Doesn't everyone's? Anyway, let's look down there. That's a little bit creepy. Oh, never thought I'd be standing on the edge of grass. I thought the world was round. Not just grass. Oh, another one of these. I'm not bothered. How much money do I have? Oh, no. Oh, there's a coin right beside me. And another one. I think every coin is 10. I have 90 coins. I need one more until I can get that. Hot chocolate. Or do I want something else? A buckle. A what? A boxy cola. A lactic. A speed coil. Oh no. Ouchie. Did I get that coin at least? Yep, I got the coin. What? I'm trapped in a box? Really? That's a little rude. Little Bobby thinks it's pretty rude. Look, this is little Bobby. Oh, no. This is little Bobby right here. And then the guy on my back, this guy, his name is Little Timmy. And then someone said in the chat, I'm rich. Okay. I'm just gonna close the chat. Oh. Okay, of course there's fire. What's this supposed to mean? Oh no! Can I just die? Aw. This girl's like, you're not getting away. Oh, never mind. What? Girl. Okay. Girl. Help. Yeah, can I push her? Okay. Girl. Ah! Help! 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 Ah! Okay. Oh, man. No. Why am I the seeker? Oh, damn. Wait. They're over there. How am I supposed to get over there? Am I supposed to just collect these? I'm not going to get anyone, but sure. I have no idea where this maze is. I'm just collecting these coins. Guys, is it over here? Am I supposed to die? That's where you guys are. Do I die? Why not? Oh, here's a girl. Did I get her? Oh no, I think she just joined. Wait, is it over here? But, what? Where am I supposed to go? Was the game glitched? If the comments aren't disabled, guys, can you comment down below how I'm supposed to play this? Because I don't really know. Well, anyway, I want to do the honors of pressing the... Oh, it's the speed. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you peeps liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Tigers are the best. If you can. You probably can't. For some reason, comments are disabled. Anyway, bye peeps.